Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a smooth spin transitions for your videos edits in CapCut. So you just need to add your clips to CapCut, then just click on the transition box here and then click on the camera category, and here you can just choose the space rotations transition to create the spin effect to your transitions edit. So you can just adjust the duration, then just click on the check icon, and here is the spin transition. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.